With HDFC Life's Vibha Padalkar about what the insurance industry expecting from the upcoming budget. Here and from that conversation.
Expectation is anyway very well known, especially in term and health. Having said that, it needs to be neutral for the life insurance company. We'll see in what form or shape that pans out. That will give a fillip to focus and to make it cheaper. Second is in terms of giving some carve out or something for annuity. Because annuity today is taxed twice. One at the time of buying the annuity, and second is in the hands of the senior citizen. So if there is some relief in terms of capital gains tax or some mechanism to give a deduction for the purchase of annuity, that will give a big boost to what senior citizens really need. So these are our expectations.
Viewers, the government issues notice to Ola and Uber over disparity in prices between Android and iPhones. Minister Prahlad Joshi informs in a statement on the action taken on the platform X. Charu joins in with more on this.
Hi, so the Consumer Minister Prahlad Joshi himself has uploaded a statement on the platform X saying that there is an issue of differential prices on cab aggregator apps, for example Uber and Ola, where what happens is that if you have an iPhone, which is a more expensive phone, you see a different price for the cab service or any other service that you're availing, and if you have an Android phone, which is relatively cheaper usually, you'll see a different sort of a price. So the consumers made a lot of complaints to the ministry, basically saying that this is unfair, and now the minister himself has made a statement saying that a notice regarding the same based on the complaints of the consumers that were received on the helpline number of the rightful authority, they are going to be taking an action. They have sent a notice to Apple, so it remains to be seen what happens because they are awaiting the response of the company for now.
Right, Charu. Thanks for bringing us those details there.